We're from HK3 and today we're going to talk about Newton's law.
Newton's first law. What is the Newton's first law? Newton's first law stated that
if an object is at rest or uniform motion, it will continue to remain in rest or motion unless an external unbalanced force acts on it. Examples: object at rest stays at rest. As you can see, when the car suddenly moved, the person in the car didn't move but tend to stay in rest. Object in motion stays in motion. As you can see, when the car suddenly stops, the person in the car did not stop but tend to stay in its moving motion, stay in its constant.
Newton's second law is about the relationship between force and acceleration. Newton's second law of motion states that the forces acting upon the object are directly proportional to the rate of change of momentum, which is expressed by the formula F is equal to m multiplied by a. Bicycle riding can be quoted as an example for this law of motion at work. The bicycle is the mass, and the leg muscle pushing the pedals of the bicycle is the force. When we push the pedals, the bicycle accelerates. We increase the speed of bicycle by applying force to the pedals. Thus, it is more difficult to accelerate a bicycle with basket full of bricks as the brick add extra mass to the bicycle.
Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion states that when one body exerts a force on the other body, the first body experiences a force which is equal in magnitude in the opposite direction of the force which is exerted. These two forces are called action and reaction force.
Newton's law of motions where matter and force meet. Newton's third law: for every action, there is an equal magnitude of force in opposite direction. For example, swimming and rowing a boat. When swimming or rowing a boat, we have to push the water backwards in order to move forward. The backwards directed force gives an opposite reaction in the forward directions. This applies to the Newton's third law, where it mentions that for every action, which is swimming and rowing a boat, there is an equal magnitude of force in opposite direction, and the opposite direction is backwards and forward.
That's all from us. Thank you.